is Blessing, and I help busy business owners like you to get more business deals with improved business English skills. Alright, welcome to this week edition, this week podcast. I want to say big thank you to you, to all my listeners, wherever you are. You are important to me. Thank you a lot. Enjoy the podcast.
Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome to this week's edition. Right, so this week we're going to talk about how you can figure out the right pronunciations of business English words. Knowing the right pronunciations of business English words can be twisted. Most business English words are not pronounced the way they are written. If you say the pronunciations are twisted, you're right. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast show. Alright, wrong pronunciations of business English words can make you feel like you are not good enough. Wrong pronunciations of business English words can make you lose your confidence when speaking or presenting. The tips I have for you will help you out. But do not aim for perfect pronunciation. One of the perfect or say when you talk
Yes,
about
you don't need
perfection
it. You don't need
in
it in
pronunciation, and one of the powerful tools you need is strong confidence. It will work wonders for you. And don't forget to use the tips that I have for you to learn the correct pronunciations and add strong confidence. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this podcast show. Please don't forget to do that. Thank you. You try to explain yourself clearly, but the pronunciations of those business English words are too hard for you. The more you try to pronounce them well, the harder it becomes. I have some practical tips for you, tested and proven tips. All you need is a few minutes to fix your pronunciation skills every day. Don't spend a lot of time and exhaust yourself. No. You don't need to do that. The moment is here for you to make effort. All you need to do is for you to apply the tips often, every day. And now, so this is not for everyone. Boost your business English communication skills with step-by-step proven secrets. How you'll be able to speak English easily like a successful business owner. Top 1% business English fluency secrets that will guide you step by step to help you get fluent in your business English communication skills faster and easier. On our live business English communication coaching sessions with me, where I coach you on how to speak English fluently like a successful business owner during business meetings, business events, business presentations, and every business related activity. Personalized weekly business English vocabulary expansion guides to build your business English vocabulary. One-on-one daily constant feedback via voice calls to improve your business English communication skills. Unlimited access to me via chats on WhatsApp and Telegram. Specifically designed clips to help you get better business negotiation skills in English. Telephone calls, guys, to help you when speaking on the phone with your clients and business partners. Secrets to help you in conducting business meetings in English easily. Step-by-step guidance and no hard work for you. You only need to follow my instructions on how to improve your business English communication skills. Personalized weekly business English communication guides that you will use during business meetings, business events, and every other business related activity to boost your business English communication skills faster. And weekly business English sentence construction guides. A little bit of what you will get in the VIP 101 Executive English Coaching Program and the Super VIP 101 Executive English Coaching Program. You can boost your business English communication skills. You can send a message with the word podcast on Instagram at Friendly Coach. Remember, this is exclusive for a few numbers of Middle Eastern business owners. The customized learning process that's designed for busy business owners like you that will help you improve your business English skills. Do not miss out. Get more business deals and expand your business's international with improved business English skills. Send a message with the word podcast on Instagram. The previous step-by-step business English learning secrets that help Middle Eastern busy business owners improve their business English skills in a short time. You do not have to go to stress of figuring out how to improve your business English skills. All you need to do is follow my instructions to get results in your business English skills in a short time. Alright, I have I'm sorry. I have 4 tips for you to help you improve your business English communication skills. The first one is record yourself and listen back to your recordings. And why? And the second tip is identify the words you mispronounced and learn the right pronunciation by using an English dictionary. Alright, the next one is you need to work on how to produce the appropriate word stress for you to get the correct pronunciations of business English words. And the last one is download an English dictionary app that has a voice feature. Alright? So use this feature to learn the correct pronunciations. So once you tap on the voice feature, you'll be able to get the right pronunciations. And there's 4 tips will help you get correct pronunciations. Alright, thank you for joining me today. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, my wonderful people. Thank you. Thank you. I'm saying a big thank you to you for listening to this podcast right from the beginning and to this point. Thank you. Alright, in case you want to give me feedback or you want to speak with me or you want to work with me, you can check me out on Instagram at Friendly Coach, on Twitter at Friendly Coach, on Facebook at Friendly Coach, and on LinkedIn, Blessing and Latte Sunny. Blessing and Latte Sunny, okay? Or you can search for Business English Coach for business owners. On LinkedIn, Business English Coach for business owners. Then you will see my name, Blessing and Latte Sunny, alright? Or you can check out my website www.friendlycoach.com www.friendlycoach.com and see you next week.